Good evening, friends. As usual, it is Sunday today. Of course, it is a evening time. According to my time schedule, Sunday evening class will be for English grammar. As you are very much aware of it, so obviously I am going to discuss about adjectives. It means ವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸು you have to add some letters or some alphabets at the end of a noun. The same thing is I am discussing since 2-3 classes. Today also I am continuing with the same concept here also. Of course, today also. At the beginning, I am showing that you have to add plus LESS to the noun. Definitely, it will become an adjective. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಮಪದದ ಮುಂದೆ ಲೆಸ್ಸು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಅದು ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Corresponding examples are given below. You can see them. At the beginning, I am going to say about hope. Please, you only go to Kannada meanings. If possible, I will discuss and I will tell you Kannada meaning. If not possible, I am only going through English words, English nouns particularly. At the beginning, we have hope as a noun. If we add less at the end of hope, it becomes hopeless. Likewise, law is a noun. If we add a less at the end of law, it becomes lawless. In the similar way, if we see leaf as a noun, if we add a less at the end of noun leaf, it becomes a leafless. In the same way, you can see mercy as a noun. If we add a less at the end of mercy, it becomes merciless. I believe you got it too. In the same way, need is a noun. If we add at the end of a noun need, it becomes a needless. Please, you only go to the noun meaning of corresponding nouns, please. In the same fashion, you are having a price as a noun. If you add a less at the end of price, it becomes priceless. Next one is self. If you add a less at the end of self, it becomes selfless. Next one is shame. If you add a less at the end of shame, it becomes shameless. To now know English grammar class, that is worth. Worth means you know it. If you add a less at the end of noun worth, it becomes worthless. ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಷ್ಪ್ರಯೋಜಕ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಲೆಯಿಲ್ಲದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. By next Sunday we are going to learn formation of adjectives. ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಲೆಸ್ಸು ಎನ್ನುವ ತನ್ನು ನೌನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೌನಿಗೆ ಲೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಕೇಳೋಣ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.